Hi there, if you're new to Teams, here's a couple of tips to help you work more efficiently. You'll notice that as you're working, people will contact you through instant messaging and you'll get alerts. So you can change your status. You can see mine's green at the moment and you can go in here and change it. So do not disturb will mean you don't get any of those notifications. So if you're finding them too much, you can turn them off. But a quick way to get in here to change your status is jump into the search box up the top. Type in / and DND, do not disturb, and it changes your status to do not disturb straight away. To change it back, click in there, type in the / and actually when you type in the / you'll see all of the options that are available. There might be some other ones there that are useful too. I'm going to type in available, and it changes my status back to available. That's the first tip. The next one is when you want to save something from the conversation board. There can be a lot of information going through different channels and through the different conversation boards, so it can be a lot to keep track of. I've got two teams here. On this general board, I can see there's a message here that I'd like to save. When you hover on a message, you can see the 3 dots just above the emoji, so you can react to it if you want to, but I'm going to these 3 dots and I'm going to save this message. So it's something I want to come back to later on. Let's go to another channel and do the same thing. I'll go to this Teams training channel and I'd like to save this message too. So hover on the message, go to the 3 dots and save this message. So where have they gone? Where do we find them? Go up to our profile icon, and in here if you click on saved, it'll give you a list of all of the saved messages, and if you click it'll take you straight to them. When you're finished with them, you can just unclick the pink flag to unsave the message. So it's great just to keep track of any key messages that you don't want to lose and have them all visible in one place. The third tip is to find the email address for a particular channel. If I'm working with the Teams training channel, I'll go to the 3 dots and I can get the email address from here. So the nice thing is, rather than having to email everyone in that team with the information that I have, I can send an email directly to the channel and it gets posted as an email on the conversation board. Great, so I'm going to copy that, and then from inside Outlook, I can paste. Press send, and now back in Teams training, I can see that this new message is via email, and it's got the email, it's got my full signature and everything, and if I want to, I can view the original email. So that was 3 quick tips. The first one, click up here and / DND, do not disturb. The second tip was to save any message. Hover on it, 3 dots, and then choose save. Go to the profile icon and find all your saved messages in one place. And the third tip was to find an email address of a channel. Go to the 3 dots and get email address. If you need further help with Teams training, just give me a call.